Hi you guys, so I'm back with a tiny mini tutorial, not very a long one, but it's going to be kind of detailed a little bit. But right here I'm using Deja Vu. Crochet hair comes in. Here you have four pieces. You have two 16s and two 18 jumbo box braids. Okay, and it looks like this. Now the issue I have with it is some of the holes are super teeny tiny, and when you have small braids like this, it's very hard and very painful for your client if they're very tender-headed, especially trying to pull this big plait through a tiny braid. So what I decided to do was sew the hair in. Sew the crochet hair in. As you see, it's very close. And once I cut it off, you won't be able to tell. They'll be able to move it any kind of way they want. Uh-oh, you didn't see it. Okay, there it is. You can be able to move it any type of way that you want. Now, these are actually crocheted in. You know, you can see that. Those are actually crocheted in, all these. Except for around the hairline. But for the rest of them, like from the front of the hairline, I'm sorry, I'm looking with my eyes instead of the phone. I'm going to be crocheting all of them in. It's also faster. So I'm actually thinking about taking out these right here in the front and just sew all of these in. But don't you worry, I'm going to record it and just stay tuned for that. First thing you're going to do is take the needle and go through the braid. One, don't pull it tight, we don't want to hurt the client here. And two, you want to make sure that it's tied on and locked on there. Okay, so you take your hair, you put it right down the braid, you stick the needle through the hair and through the hole of the crochet, pull it, and you loop again one more time, which means pull through there and do just like that. Boom. Then you're gonna do another one and just keep going in that area. So you can have them just as close as you want to and have it looking super full, especially around the hairline. That's how I like for mine to look. Want to make sure you guys can see it. Turn this way some. Okay. And moisturize your client hair. So with this way, they'll be able to move the crochets any direction without it feeling totally tight, like with that crochet feeling you get when you do it. And remember, you saw it here first, so if you decide to do it or if you want or whatever, please shout out my channel, shout out where you saw it at first. Here, of course, people don't like to give you props, but hey, just let you know you saw Ava's good. And the hair was $15.99 a pack. I got it from my local beauty supply store, and as you can see guys, she can move it any direction. So when you get to the front one, you want to do it at least 2 to 3 times. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this thread, twist it, see, twist it, open it, put it around the needle, pull it through, and that's going to make a knot. And that's going to be it. We're going to pull it, and that's going to be it. We're going to cut the thread and tie it off, and you're going to do that for the whole entire hair. And it's actually very faster than taking the needle, the crochet hook, and put it on there. If you just like sewing it, you can do this really quick. Well, I can. I feel like it's very simple, very easy. especially for the tender-headed customers, clients, especially kids. And it just comes out when you get ready to take them out. I loose the braid. That is it. And it looks like this. And as you can see, freedom to lift anywhere without it. Is it hurting? Use your words. It's not hurting at all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out all the front ones that I crocheted. So when I get ready to pull it up or whatever, or pull it back, when you pull it back, you see it looks nice and natural. And I'm going to go ahead and do this and also do these. So when I start back on this side, because this side looks like this, I'm going to take out these right here. I don't like how bulky it looks right here. Come up some. There you go. I don't like how bulky it look because the braid, again, was so tiny, like small, and these big old jumbo braids. So I'm just going to take these out while I'm on camera, actually. Pull back some. Take them out. And I'm going to sew these in to make sure they full around that hairline. And you see with these right here, a prime example, it's stuck on one side because it won't allow me to pull it through her whole entire head, and she had pain doing that. So I said, let me just try something, and it worked out very nicely. The braids move in any direction she would like to move it in, and that's that. So you can do this. Remove all of these. The last thing you want is your client hair to be stored and have the migraine from crochets and whatnot. And I'll be back once we start doing the sewing. Okay, again, you guys, we're using the Deja Vu 4x box braids, jumbo box braids, and we're going to get started. I already have some already laid out here on the couch, so I'm just going to pick up and go as I go. Okay, and it's kind of already mixed from the 16 to 18. I'm not sure because I just took it loose, so we're just gonna get started. It's just 2 inch difference, ain't nothing gonna hurt. So what I like to do is I kind of like line them up so I can just grab and go. When I'm doing it, so it'll be right here on her shoulder. We're just going to grab and go as we go. So which one we're going to start? We're going to start with this row first, right here. So they can like come a little closer with the lighting. So we hit down just a little bit. And first thing you're going to do, take the needle, pull through the hair. Don't pull tight, just pull through it. So it can just lock there. Sorry you guys, I'm making sure the camera is correct. And then you're going to hold it on the braid and go through the hair, the hole of the crochet, and just pick up and keep going. Make sure they're closed. Do it 2 times. And it's another alternative for the tender-headed folks. Well, they don't have to be tender-headed, just a quicker version. You can't find your crochet needle. You got needle and thread. Make sure your front is perfect. Front, I like to do at least three loops. Make sure it's good and it's down the exact place where I want it at. And we're done. See that? We're done. Focus. Yeah. I'm gonna put that in there on that. So we're gonna tie it off, and we're gonna do the same exact thing to the rest of them. And once we're done, I will be back to show you the finished product. Hi you guys, so we're back with Destiny. She has gotten her hair done and it's all finished. Turn around the back. It's how the back looks. You can go ahead and play with it if you want to. You can see what it looks like. Nice and full. Turn around the front. And this is the sew-in crochet method. Let's shake your hair backwards like this way. Oh, your hair can fall back. You can use your hand. Y'all, she really likes it. That's good that she likes it. I'm glad. Alright, hold your head down so they can see your front part of your hair. What it looks like. I forgot to cut that one string, you guys. Sorry. Yeah, but don't worry. Turn around in the back. And this is 16 and 18 inches. I think it's perfect. Turn around the front. And there's many ways to style it, of course. I'm going to go ahead and style it up in a ponytail at the top, and then we'll be back. So you guys, we are back with hairstyle number 2. And it's just like a top up ponytail, and the back is hanging. And like I said, this is called the sew-in method of the crochets. The back is sewn in though. I mean, not sewn in, sorry. Turn around, baby. The back is regularly crocheted because it's bigger braids. There's bigger in the back. And the front is thinner braids. So therefore, it was hard to put those big box braids through it. So I decided to sew it in. I will be doing a sew in through our whole entire head though, for now on. And as you can see, she loves her hair. You like it, baby?
Yes.
You like it? Okay, so let me turn around one more time. Let me see them edges and everything. Clear up, camera. You gotta clear up for me. Okay, there we go. Turn around a little bit. Yeah, my baby is feeling her hair. Oh, what that got, Daisy? Oh, floss. That floss. Now, what that got right there? The shoe. Cute. All right, baby. What was that dance called? Oh my goodness, guys, we finna get ready to go. But as you can see, she likes her hair.
Don't get to this. Don't cry. We got to get to this. So it sounds like you like it.
All right.
Hey.